Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills uba BS Solia IAS ha ka santarik kelalingkan ula pelat patba ya kathup Electoral Roll ka Bapura jong ki South Li ki Constituency kata ka 1 Nartiang 2 Juwai 3 Raliang bat 4 Mokayao sya kinongmi khmat jong ki Seng San Hima ha ka jingalang ka balalong hapo Conference Hall jong ka Office DC. Hakani ka jingalang layadon lang ru ka Additional Deputy Commissioner Election ka kong B Bla ki ADC ka kong DV Lingdo bat ka kong HML Kenta. Ya kini ki Electoral Roll la pinbit pinbiang kat kum ka Registration of Electors Rules 1960 bat ka jingot senam kalong shi tarik kelalingkod arhajar arpusang. Uba BS Solia ulaong bagi patba kila banjurip ya ka Electoral Roll ha kapor long tray ha election branch bat ha ki polling station ka bakidon ha kapor long tray. Na kaliang kakong Bibla Additional Deputy Commissioner Election kala pentip patba bakan don ru ka kali ban pensngutu patba halor ka jingdon kam ya ka kor EVM bat ka VVPAT nalor ka tala ru ban yu jinghikai ha office katanat election. Na ki South League Constituency ka 1 Raliang ST ka dan sapusan hajar laispa nyopusan kuntup arpu hajar laispa arpu prai ki shinrang pat arpu lai hajar sapu nyo ki kentei ka 2 Juwai ST ki nong tap vote ki dan sapu wei hajar laispa sapusan ha ka ba khat khandai hajar sauspa san pusau ki dei ki shinrang bat arpu wei hajar praspa prapu wei ki kentei ka 3 Raliang ST sapu hajar khat khandai ngot ki nong tap vote khat khandai hajar iwei shinrang arpuwei hajar khat pra ki kentei bat ka 4 Mokayao ST ka dan laip khandai hajar rius pa riu khandai ngot ki nong thap vot khat khandai hajar rius pa arpasau ki shinrang bat arpo hajar sapusan ki kentei ki polling station ha 1 Nartiang ST ki dan riu pulai teli 2 Juwai ST san punyo teli 3 Raliang ST bat 4 Mokayao ST ki dan mar san pusan teli ki polling station.
During the publication of the draft rules also handed over, and most probably we have gone through all the draft rules and we have found perhaps there were certain things that we want to be corrected, and those have been taken care of. And I'm also very happy to announce that as far as WJH is concerned, we are one of the first two districts in the state to dispose of all the forms 6, 7 and 8, and we stand at pendency stands at 0% now regarding the other 3 forms. But yes, I still want to push further in the fact that we still need to cooperate when it comes to awareness, sweep activities from our side, from your side also as political entities, for new voters especially, as they've applied and they will be getting their turn, the chance to vote, and also for them to come out to come to DC's office or to the other designated locations for them to learn how to operate the machines and all the other members of society also. So that I extend and let us cooperate and work together so that in the ensuing and impending elections of 2000 Lok Sabha 2024 will pass off without any problems, peacefully, and we hope that this time the percentage of turnout will be higher than the last elections. We want people to come out and vote. That is the thing from my side. I want to express my thanks and gratitude again to everybody concerned, right from here, from the officers concerned, from the EDC to the other EDCs and
45,375. For Juwai we have 41,345. For Raliang we have 40,019. And for Mokayao we have 39,669. So these are the brief of the entire SSR that we have completed now, and this is also reflected. We will show you when we give this will be reflected in this format. Kani ka format ka bangin IAP ha po ka iru kini ba ka ti banga puli mentan kindan ang to nga susin kan brief nang to bangin ya discuss mentan.